everybody, welcome back to Sincerely Legenia. In today's video, I am making beef kebabs, ground beef kebabs that is. We're gonna put all of these delicious herbs, spices, and seasonings into this ground meat and put it on skewers and cook them up. It's gonna be so delicious. You've gotta stick around and watch. If you are new here, thank you for joining us. Go ahead and click that subscription button if you like what you see, and go ahead and leave me a comment below to let me know you were here. All right, let's get right on into this video. I'm gonna show you how to make a quick and easy beef kebab. All right, we're gonna begin by adding 1 egg to our ground beef. And I always like to crack my egg in another bowl because I don't know if you all have experienced bad eggs before. So I always do it in one bowl first before I add it to my ingredients, just to make sure we've got a good one. All right, so we got 1 egg going in. All right, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of dried parsley, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika, teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of black pepper. Now I'm gonna wash my hands and we're going in. All right, now with nice clean hands, guys, I'm going in. Is seasoned well when you can smell all of that delicious seasoning throughout, and I can. So I think I've mixed this together really, really well. So now we're going to go ahead and form our meat into oblong patties. And let me show you guys how I do that. So I'll first put mine into a ball, like such, and then I'll just form them out. Roll them into patties. To oblong patties. Now remember, they're not going to really keep their shape really well because of the fat, and once that fat cooks off, they're going to be a bit smaller. So right now that was about a 2-inch size meatball, and this oblong shape is about 3 inches long. Okay, so there we go. Kebabs are now on the skewers and they're ready to go. I'm getting ready now to put these on the grill. All right, guys, next it's time to put our kebabs on the grill. So I've got my hot grill here. It's really hot. I'm gonna spray some cooking oil down. Make sure I get a generous amount down on there. And we're gonna go ahead and place our kebabs on the grill. Listen to that sizzle. Kebabs have not cooked all the way through. I'm going to let them finish cooking in the oven. All right, guys, so now we're going to cut some fresh vegetables to go with our kebab. So I'm going to start out with this purple onion, and I'm just going to dice it a little bit. I'm not going to use this whole onion. Just gonna dice a little bit of it up. And next I'm gonna dice this delicious juicy tomato. And next, I'm gonna slice half of this English cucumber. All right, we've got our fresh veggies. I'm just going to cover these with some plastic wrap. All right, so I'm just gonna cover these, set it to the side. All right, guys, so this is what I'm having for dinner. I have a beef kebab, ground beef kebab full of seasonings and spices. I've got me a slice of keto pita bread. This right here is feta cheese, cucumbers, tomato, and some diced red onion. All right, guys, so this is our dinner. I've got my pita bread, I've got my feta cheese, cucumber, tomato, and some diced red onion. You guys, this would really go well with some tzatziki sauce, but my Greek yogurt was no good. I couldn't make the tzatziki sauce. I really hate that. But if you get an opportunity, I'm gonna put a link in the description box to the video that I have where I made a delicious homemade tzatziki sauce. Get you some tzatziki sauce with this. It is going to be perfect. So let's go ahead and dig in. We will try the kebab first. So let's go ahead and give this a taste. Amazing. Amazing. Slice of pita bread. All right, guys, so this is what I have here. My slice of pita bread that I've torn off. I'm gonna take this off. Get me some of my kebab here. Make sure you warm up your pita bread. You guys, this meat is packed with flavor. Give me some of that in there with a little bit of feta cheese, a little bit of tomato, some of that on there. All right, let me give this a taste. I'm telling you, I already know it's good, but All right, guys, these beef kebabs are fabulous. This entire meal is delicious. It is definitely one that you have got to add to your recipe book here, and you've got to try it soon. If you do, make sure you come back and leave a comment below. I love hearing how your meals turned out as a result of watching one of my videos. It makes me so happy. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. It is always a pleasure. Until the next time, it is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.